How far are we heading? How far? Close? Okay, just up here. Not far.
Hi vlog! Hello! Welcome to Leyte! It's a coconut.
Okay, so Ingo's the coconut. And what was in the pan before? What did we have in the pan?
Let it boil.
No, but what was in there? Just water or?
Yeah, just water.
Okay.
Seasoning leaves.
Good for soups.
In Bisaya, sibujing.
Sibuting.
Sibujing.
Okay. And this is to go in the vegetable soup.
Yes.
Okay.
It is a seasoning leaves for the soup. It's good for vegetable
Dagang na po sila.
and to make it spicy.
Chilies going in as well. I spot
Yeah.
the chilies. Okay.
Sibujing.
Sibujing.
Sibujing
Just
leaves.
tear the leaves. Okay. And into the vegetable soup.
Okay.
Perfect.
Follow me. Ready to eat. Come on. Yeah, okay. Panayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makapatambok.
Make it fat.
Ang niwang mutambok.
The skinny one will make you fat.
After 10 years.
After 10 years.
Okay.
Just make your body healthy.
Okay.
Pwede.
Kusok sa kadyang di alayin din.
Maambot na nila. Yun na siya nang nila.
Keep them warm. Hello.
Hey, come on. Looks.
Pwede po na makamera lang, no?
Is it good?
Of course. You should taste it too.
I will.
Okay, stop it. Yes.
Alam mo, apil kagwan lang.
Isa.
Single. Mga bata.
Oo, tamo sa ginawa.
Practice daw sa kuan 5 days.